This is our fake hovercraft, or for short, Fovercraft. So let's just do a quick rundown of each part. This green bit here is the acrylic base with some little ball bearings on the bottom so that it runs smoothly along the bench, like that. Then we have our Arduino, which is the main microcontroller for this, which is then connected to this circuit board with motor controls and the infrared receiver. Then we have this battery here, which connects to the motors, and this battery pack, which powers the Arduino. And as for the motors, we've got them mounted in these 3D printed mounts, and they have propellers on them so that it pushes the hovercraft along the bench. So we're going to do a quick rundown of the circuit here. So basically what's going on here is that our two motors are connected to these two plugs, and then our infrared receiver is connected here. So with these two yellow wires, which are connected to the Arduino, we can control these two MOSFETs, which allow the motors to be turned on. And then this receiver is able to receive signals from a TV remote, which then sort of dictates which of these MOSFETs is activated, and in turn which motor is turned on.
This is a TV remote which controls the Fovercraft. So number 2 is what turns it on to go forward and turns both motors on. The number 4 is to make it turn left to turn the right motor on, and 6 is to turn it right so that it turns the left motor on. And this play button right here turns the system on so that it'll make a set routine, so that the set routine is to go left and right. So we don't control it, but when we press this button, it'll go through that routine.
An added engineering tweak to this Fovercraft is that these blades have a bit of masking tape on one end, so that when the fan is spinning, the Fovercraft vibrates so that the ball bearings are able to skip along a little bit, allowing for it to more freely spin.